Hey everyone!
This is straight out of class where we talk about the tea.
Grab a seat because it's about to get real. For combined science wise, right, the reason why is it called combined is because really you choose two science. When the two of them combine, then it becomes one subject. Okay? So that's also how the exam works. 50%, for example, your combined science is physics and chemistry, which is the most common one. Then chemistry will hold 50%, physics will hold 50%. Add together, divide by 2, that will be your score for combined science. So technically you are like studying two subjects just to get one grade.
Yeah.
That's for combined science. For pure science, then of course they are standing alone. Each subject is a standalone. So pure physics, you will get one grade. Pure chemistry, you will get one grade.
Don't think of it as like, oh, this is the easy way out, because you will regret it. Okay, so you don't want to put in the same amount of time or more time just for half the number of grades. Okay, for example, if you happen to get maybe an A1 and an A2 for let's say physics and chem, then if let's say you take combined, right, then actually become A2. Wow, then you burn your A1. But if you take two, then you have one A1 and you have one A2. It's like much more worth it than having one combined A2 when actually maybe one of it is like very, very high and then the other one is not so high.
The rigor wise, when you're comparing pure science and combined science, I would say, example, if let's say a pure science in total we have 14 topics, then combined science maybe you have around 10 topics. Yeah. Is that half? No, that's not half, that's 75%. Okay? When you are doing combined science, you are basically studying 75% of pure physics, 75% of pure chemistry, then combine them together to get one grade. That's not worth it. Okay? You are studying 150% just to get one grade. But when you're doing pure physics and pure chemistry, you are studying 100% pure physics to get one grade, 100% pure chemistry to get one grade. Your time is more worth it if you take double. Then of course the good thing about combined science is it's easy to score because the way they phrase the question and the way they ask the question usually is more conceptual. They will always ask you to state. Explain also have, but lesser. Okay, so when it comes to stating all these things means that it's really just vomit out the information. Yeah, so some students find it very easy to score for combined science.
Go and try first. At least have the idea of, okay, I tried, and am I suitable for this? Because if it's not, okay, then in Sec 4 you combine. Yeah, but then you don't study out as combined, then you don't have the choice to get to where you want to get to.
Right.
Yeah, so, and thing is like, I think a lot of us are really focusing on, oh, I want to make sure that I do the best. But what if you, because you pick the combination, you don't really know what is your potential, then maybe you could have been a A1 student. And because now you combine everything, then you become like maybe like 4A2 and 4A1. So I think be a bit more adventurous in that sense. Unless your results is all like C5, then please go buck up.
Most of the JC courses require you to have pure science. Yeah. For the science stream, yeah. So if you want to keep your options open, you must be taking pure sciences, right? And one thing I noticed is also most students who are taking combined science, right, they will be paired with POA.
Yes.
And that further indicates that it's a subject combination that is more suited for poly.
There are benefits. For example, because I took bio in secondary school and JC, when I went to uni, right, I was taking psychology. And one of the branches of psychology is called bioscience. And that's when all the bio knowledge was like, suddenly it's like quite effective. That's all for today.
See you in the next episode. Bye.